Oof. I have to think a little bit about that. It's really an impossible question. Hey, I'm Finn, and today I'm answering the impossible questions. And I work in computational neuroscience, so we try to understand how the visual cortex of mice encodes information. So we have mice watching videos, and then we try to map those videos to the neural activity of the mice with machine learning. Yeah, that's what I'm doing, and let's answer the questions. So the question is, what's the best way to train a foundation model for sequential decision making? How can you gather and use massive amounts of data to train it? Oof. I have to think a little bit about that. It's really an impossible question. Probably the amount of big data you could use, just all data that's available in the internet. For example, if you want to train something in coding, you just could use all the problems that are on GitHub. But I'm not really sure what's sequential decision making. So yeah, I can't really go into the detail there. I'm sorry for that. Does the future of AI hinge more on better datasets or better architectures? If you could only improve one, which would have the greatest impact in your opinion? That's a good one. It's about the architectures. So I have the feeling that we have enough data and all the large language models are trained on more or less on the complete internet. So I think we have to come up with better models, better architectures. If we had unlimited compute power and use all existing data, could current AI training methods create machines with human-level intelligence? Or would we hit a performance ceiling? Explain your answer. That's also quite interesting. I think we would hit a performance ceiling. So current models are just really good at sampling and understanding distributions. And I think if we would leverage that keeps going. But as you see, ChatGPT is not really good at reasoning, so it doesn't really act like a human. And I think if you have unlimited resources, I think this problem would still exist. So maybe we have to come up with models that actually really understand the world and not just understand the distributions of it. What do you think will be superseded first, the Transformers architecture or PyTorch? I really like PyTorch, so it's probably the Transformer architecture. Scaling is all you need. Philosophy is dead. Validate or change my mind. What do you think is the best way forward? Well, the scaling law still holds, but I'm not a big fan of it. It doesn't feel really it's not a smart way just to make models bigger and use more data. So yeah, I would be really happy if we can come up with something else.